Hey, it's Nisa from The Green Room, and here's how you can have happy holidays with some quick and easy makeup tips. All right, one of the things that I love for holiday looks, false eyelashes. Grab a strip of those, slap them on, and in 2 minutes, your whole look has completely changed. You can't go wrong. They come in a variation of styles and even colors, so you can really customize this look and make it work for you for the holidays. What else can you do? Line those eyes, lady, top and bottom, and not just on the bottom, smudge it in like that. No, get on the inside of that rim. That's gonna give you a dramatic eye with just 2 simple swipes of the eyeliner. You can't beat that. And of course, for holiday, a little sparkle goes a long way. A little shimmer on the lid, a little shimmer on the cheeks. Now don't do glitter overload. Just a little sparkle is all you need for happy holidays.